And action!
A percentage is a ratio that compares a number to 100.
Percentage is an expression of a number as a fraction of 100.
Fun fact! Percent means a part of 100 in Latin. Percentages, decimals, and fractions are all related!
Percentages and decimals.
To change a percent to a decimal, take away the percent sign and move the decimal over 2 places to the left. To change a decimal to a percent, move the decimal over 2 places to the right and add the percent sign.
Hey guys, guess what I just found out?
What?
6 out of 5 people have really bad problems with fractions.
Bye. It's okay to be more than 100% because 100% just means that it's one whole. That means when the percent is written as a fraction, the denominator will always be 100 before you simplify. So, if the numerator is less than 100, it's less than one whole. If the numerator is more than 100, that means it's more than one whole. Percentages and fractions.
If you are writing the percent as a fraction, put it over 100 and simplify. If you are writing the fraction as a percent, set up the proportion so that the given fraction is equal to x over 100, then solve for x, and x is a percent.
Finding the percent of a number.
The most important thing to remember is the ratio percent over 100 equals is over of. Is equals part of something and of equals the whole thing. So, is over of equals part over whole.
Trying to find part of a number. What is 50% of 20? If you want to find 50% of 20, set up 50 over 100 is equal to x over 20, because you are trying to find part of 20, which is a whole. So the ratio is 50 over 100 equals x over 20. Then cross multiply and divide to solve for x. 50 times 20 equals 1,000. 1,000 divided by 100 equals 10. X equals 10, so 50% of 20 is 10.
Trying to find the whole number. 8 is 16% of what? To find what 8 is 16% of, write the ratio 16 over 100 equals 8 over x, because 8 is a part of x. Then cross multiply and divide and solve for x. 8 times 100 equals 800. 800 divided by 16 equals 50. X equals 50, so 8 is 16% of 50.
Trying to find the percentage. 40 is what percent of 50? If you want to find what percent of 40 is of 50, write the ratio x over 100 equals 40 over 50, because you are trying to find the percentage. Then cross multiply and divide to find x. 40 times 100 equals 4,000. 4,000 divided by 50 equals 80. X equals 80. So 40 is 80% of 50.
Real life applications. There are 4 common life applications that would require a person to use percents.
The first is to find a markup, which is the increase in the price of an item from its wholesale price to its retail price. The retail price equals the wholesale price plus the markup.
A baseball cap has a wholesale price of $5. The percent markup is 75%. What is the retail price of the cap? First, find the amount of the markup. The markup is 75% of $5, so write the ratio 75 over 100 equals x over 5. Then cross multiply and divide to find x, and you will find that x equals 3.75, which is the markup. Add the markup to the wholesale price. $5 plus $3.75 equals $8.75. So the retail price of the baseball cap is $8.75. The second is to find a discount, which is the decrease in the price of an item. To find the sales price after a discount, subtract the discount from the original price.
A department store is having a 25% off clearance sale. You find an item originally priced at $140. What is the sale price of the item? First, you have to find the discount. The discount is 25%, so you do 25 over 100 equals x over 140. Then you cross multiply and divide to get x equals 35. 140 minus 35 is 105. So the sale price of the item is $105. The third is to find the commission, which is the amount of a person's pay that is a percent of the person's total sales.
To find the amount of the commission, you find that So you set up the ratio of 8 over 100 equals x over 3,250. You cross multiply and find that x equals 260. So Michael earned a commission of $260. The final application is finding a profit, which is the difference of the income and the expenses.
Your class sponsors a school dance. The total expenses for the dance are $1,060. Your class collects $3,400 in ticket sales. Find the profit from the dance and the percent of profit that the class makes. First, find the profit. Subtract $1,060 from $3,400. The profit this class makes is $2,340. Then find the percent of profit. To do this, set up the ratio x over 100 equals 2,340 over 3,400. Cross multiply and divide to find that x equals 68.82, which means 68.82%. The profit of the amount the class collected was 68.82%.
And cut! It's finally recording there. Okay, I can go. You go?
What?
I go.
Wait. Oh no. Got the hiccups.
This is a ratio as a fraction of 100. I can't talk. I just 1, 2, 3. That's right.
Take away the percent sign and move.
Yeah, do you want to start doing something?